Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking into the weekend. The chart for Friday, first of all, shows low pressure just out to the east and a rather cool northerly airflow moving down across the country, with some areas of showers tangled into this flow, and those focused around coastal districts, mainly toward the north and the west. And some of these locally could be on the heavy side with the risk of hail and a chance of an isolated rumble of thunder, but many central inland regions will see a dry and bright day with just a low risk of an isolated shower, a good amount of sunshine and cloud breaks towards higher tops and excellent visibility across the mountains. A pretty good forecast for Saturday in many respects, as we see a weak zone of high pressure extending across the country. One or two local showers can't be ruled out, mainly towards the east, but most places will be dry throughout the day with light winds overall, a bit cool again on some eastern mountains early in the morning. Some frost in the valleys and the glens first thing, and some fog patches will be around in places, some banks of cloud as well across some of the hill slopes. Now those could hang around in places around some upper slopes and in some of the corries. Some mountain tops may well be in the clear. I can't promise inversion conditions as such, but some higher areas could get just above or between some of those fog banks that linger around some of the corries all the way through the day. So a bit of a mixture in terms of what you may find. You could be unlucky and stay in some of those fog banks for quite a while, or you could get some glorious sunshine and excellent visibility. If anything, central Scotland best favoured for clearer conditions developing from the south as we head onwards into the afternoon. Some high cloud will eventually begin to build for Wales, and the breeze will just freshen ahead of fronts pushing up from the south late in the day. Sunday most likely stays dry across a good part of the Highlands, with the best of the sunshine and the cloud breaks generally towards the north and the northwest. A bit more cloud further south, and that may well shroud the hills, and some rain trying to push into the southwest of the Highlands. It may be later in the day before it does so. That rain will push in across northern England after a dry start, and for Wales more quickly turning wet with some rain and low cloud soon across the hills. Some very gusty winds around as well. That will be as an easterly across the Highlands, strengthening through the day, strongest toward the south and up to gale force, which will make the air temperature of around freezing feel closer to -10 to -15 with that wind chill factor. Also strong and gusty winds touching gale force across the tops for Wales and across the Lake District. All your local details for your mountain area can be found on our website, but that is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.